Were you going to introduce these products to German market?
Yes, of course. I think, yeah, looks great.
Okay, say something to German friends.
Hallo, liebe Kollegen in Deutschland, Schweiz, Österreich. Ich bin hier bei OneDisplay und muss sagen, ich sehe da wirklich ganz tolle Produkte.
Jackie, my customer Ralph from German market arrived to visit our factory today.
Hi,
Hi.
Rob. Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Hi,
Long time no
Jackie.
see.
Yeah, long time.
Okay, how's the trip?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Okay.
How are you?
Good, very
Good,
good.
yeah.
Welcome to OneDisplay Factory.
Yeah, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay.
Yeah.
So, Rob, come with me.
Yeah, okay.
Rob, here is OneDisplay showroom. You can find lots of solutions right here. We have indoor, outdoor screen for fixed installation. We have customized screens, rental screens, and the transparent LED screens with all different kinds of cabinet sizes. These options can meet all your different needs no matter you are from retail industry, advertising, commercial, or rental industry. Hi, Rolf. So what is the most interesting product so far in German market, and what is your main purpose to OneDisplay Factory this time?
Yeah, this time my main purpose product is a transparent LED.
Okay.
Especially holographic,
Okay.
like Lang show this year on ISC.
Yeah.
And I think maybe you have similar products like this one.
Okay. Wow. You are in the right place.
I know.
Okay,
I know.
Ralph, come with me to our
Okay,
aging
I will
room.
follow
Okay.
you. Yeah, okay. Looks really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good product, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a double-sided.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah,
So,
okay.
so you like it?
Yeah.
Were you going to introduce these products to German market?
Yes, of course. I think, yeah, looks great.
Okay, say something
Okay.
to German friends.
Hallo, liebe Kollegen in Deutschland, Schweiz, Österreich. Ich bin hier bei OneDisplay und muss sagen, ich sehe da wirklich ganz tolle Produkte. Speziell dieses Holographic-Produkt überzeugt mich extrem. Noch selten gesehen, doppelseitig, so stabil. Ist wirklich eine echt coole Holographic-LED-Wand hier, muss ich sagen. Das Tolle daran ist auch, ich habe zwei Seiten, kann verschiedene Content auf beiden spielen, also unabhängig. Es ist nicht gespiegelt und mit Black SMD 3000 Nit, absolut sonnentauglich. Yeah, it's really nice. That's great.
Yes, yes, it's
Yeah.
very popular now in the market.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ralph, I will send more information later to you, yeah?
Cool, yeah,
Okay.
great. Can I see some other?
Yeah, yeah,
things?
yeah. Ralph, for example, this one is also one of our very popular selling products overseas
Yes.
market. 2 meters by 1 meters.
Yeah.
It can be movable, can be hanging, yeah. And we can connect to the few pieces together.
Okay.
It's very easy for trade shows.
Yeah.
And also,
Oh wow, yeah, that's really cool, interesting. Wow.
yeah, Ralph, actually this is just a few pages in our books. We have so much information. I will talk to you later when we have tea.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go have a Chinese tea.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
let's go. Yeah.